Hey guys, this is Gabin once again, and today we'll be learning a new topic. So this topic is on trigonometry. What trigonometry? So when you hear the word trigonometry, it's basically dealing with angles. What angles, and it's more about geometry as well. Now let's get started. So as you can see, trigonometric identities. Right? So this is our chapter. However, today we'll start with measuring angles. Right? How do we measure angles? Right? So we are measuring angles now. To measure angles, there's two parts in measuring angles. It's either you can use degrees or you can use radian, right? Degree or radians. What's the difference between degrees and radian, right? So a degree measures a complete one complete revolution, one complete revolution, which is basically saying one complete circumference, right? So going around the circle just once. So that complete revolution is what it's measured using degrees. And what about radian? So radian is basically dealing with angles, right? So let's see the definition or how you apply radians. So by the way, this is the symbol. How do you write degree? So it's one with that top as a 0, and yeah, you measure 1/360, which is a complete revolution. And 1 radian is basically 1 with c as a complement, or 1 radian. So you can either use 1 with c at the top or 1 radian, right? So it's basically it's the angle at the center of a circle produced by an arc of a length equal to the radius, right? So it's basically this angle here, right? So it's this angle here, this angle here, this angle here, measured by the arc. So the length of an arc, so this is the arc, right? This is the arc, which is equal in length as the radius. So you can see the radius. We'll go to radius here, right? These are radius. So each of these side, they are equal, right? As you can see, are basically saying that they have the same length, right? So the radius is just this angle, right? So that's how we measure angles in a circle, right? So now let's move on to see actually a few questions on how can you convert from degrees to minute, or from minute to seconds, right? So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this, but let's have a look at it. So the first question that we have got is 360 degrees 48 minutes and 24 seconds. So the question is asking us to convert this or change this to degrees. Now we can see that the first part, so the first part, it's already fixed. We have got 36 degrees, but we need to convert 48 minutes and 24 seconds. So what do we start? Let's start with seconds. So if we have 24 seconds, right? 24 seconds, we need to convert this into a minute. How do you convert into a minute? We divide by 60, right? So we divide by 60, and when you do this, I believe we should get 0.4 minutes, right? So 0.4, yeah, 0.4. And now what we have now is 48 minutes plus 0.4 minutes, which is 48.4 minutes. Right now we can convert this into degrees. So take the 48 divided by 4. Now we divide again by 60. Wow, so which divide by 60 to get degrees. I need a calculator. So 48.4 divided by 60. Yep. So what we have here, we have got 0.80. So this 60, but I have 7, right? So what is this? This is our degrees, right? Now, therefore, we have 36, 48 minutes 24 seconds is equal to 36.07 degrees. So that's our answer, guys. And now let's look at the second one. The second one, it says convert to degrees, then minutes, and then seconds, right? So we have got degrees, so we start with degrees. How do we do this? So the way you do this is you can we have got the, so we have to times by we have got 98 degrees as a whole, but then we have got 0.7, so we have got 0. So we're gonna break this down. as 98 plus 0.98 degree plus 0.72 degrees, right? But now the 0.72 degrees, we're gonna times this by 60 to get a minute. Time by 60. So let's do that. 0.72 times by 60. Yeah, it give us 40. It's giving us 43. 43.2. So this is what this is minute, but we need to break this down. So the 0.2, right? So we need to take 0.2 minute times by 60 second. 0.2 times by 60, right? Give us 12. They give us 12 seconds, right? So therefore 98.72 degrees is equal to 98 degrees 43 minutes and 12 seconds. Alright guys, so this is how you convert from degrees to minutes and from minutes to seconds. I hope this video makes sense, and in the second video we'll be looking at how do you convert from degrees to radian or from radian to degrees, vice versa. Thank you so much guys. I will see you soon.